So I'll just give you a little idea on what research am I talking about. We just crossed 1000 subscribers. So I have to rush because I have to reach the OPD at 8:30 dot. Hi guys. It's not really a good morning for me today. I'm feeling a little sick. I didn't sleep also properly last night. So thoda sa headache ho raha hai in the morning itself. Hopefully it should be good in some time. If it's not, I think I'll take a nap in the break itself so that I feel better. I'm posted in the CVTC OPD. So I have to rush because I have to reach the OPD at 8:30 dot. So yeah, I won't get a lot of time to talk with you in the morning. I might see you directly after some time.
When the cold comes pushing down heavy on this town, and there's no one around to keep out the sound.
Here I would like to talk about the health of the medical professionals and doctors. We are always exposed to the most infectious diseases but still have to show up every single day to the postings and the wards. We have to keep our immunity and our health strong in order to safeguard ourselves as well as the other patients that we see in the wards. So on the days when we feel sick, we have to keep our immunity up. We have to show up no matter what, but at the same time also take care of ourselves and our health. Hi guys, so a little health update. I am not feeling better. After I came from college, I directly slept because बहुत ही headache हो रहा था, and I was sneezing like I think in the entire day I have sneezed for like 200 to 250 times, and my headache had also increased. Sneezing थोड़ा कम हो गया है, but headache अभी भी उतना ही है. Let's see, maybe we go out for some walk in the fresh air. I have also made some garam chai for myself along with some wafers. So yeah, hopefully this chai should make me feel better and we'll be fine in some time.
As the years go, you'll grow old before you're told to leave. I was born just to drown.
So the dinner is done and I just sat down with my laptop today. We recently got a laptop because PC बहुत अच्छे से काम नहीं कर रहा था. We were facing a lot of problems. तो हमने recently laptop purchase किया है और मुझे थोड़ा time लग रहा है to fit my hand onto laptop. Right now I'm actually downloading a movie editor app because I want to start editing my videos on the laptop. Phone पे there are a few restrictions. मैं बहुत openly नहीं edit कर पाती. Whereas on PC or laptops there might be more options. I really want to improve my editing and video quality for you all. So yeah, I'm just downloading this movie editor app. Let me show you. So this is the app that I'm downloading from Microsoft. Let me see. हो गया. Basically I planned to do a lot of things today, but because of my health I'm not able to do everything, which is fine. I think I just need rest. So tomorrow we might not go to college. Depends on my health in the morning. 90% I don't think I'll be feeling better. I really think I'll have to take a break tomorrow. But I will update you soon on what happens tomorrow. For now I'm just going to see how this video editing app is, how to go about it, and then just journal, meditate and sleep because I really need to sleep. Otherwise this headache which I had got, which has reduced, but थोड़ा अभी भी हो रहा है मुझे, तो I don't want to make my health worst. I will quickly finish some work on this laptop and then we go to bed. So I will now see you directly tomorrow morning.
'Cause it's all in my head, no, it's all in my head. I'm holding it back till I'm lying in bed. That's when sometimes you tell me you wish that your eyes were blue.
Good morning guys. A little weather update. It's been raining cats and dogs since morning. Yeah, as you can see, I couldn't make it to college today. मेरा voice भी change हो गया है, बहुत ज़्यादा सर्दी हो गई है. My entire face feels blocked and full of सर्दी. Now I'm just gonna take some steam. So hopefully taking some steam will help me relieve that congestion that I have in my face. Headache is not there. Hopefully it doesn't come later in the day. For now, let's just take some steam, have a bath, then we start working.
But if you could see those brown eyes looking back at you.
So a little update, I took a bath and then my health started getting worse. So I just slept after taking bath. I haven't done anything productive. I had planned to do so many things but कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है मुझसे आज. I had my lunch and I had to take medication because I cannot fall sick in the starting of the week. I feel little better, but overall my health is 2 out of 10. So I don't think I'll be able to do a lot today. It's just going to be me resting and sleeping. Yeah, hopefully I feel better after I sleep today.
They steal the words right out your mouth.
So I'm feeling much better right now. It's around 6:30. I just had my chai. I am now going to start working. पूरा दिन काम नहीं किया है और मुझे बहुत सारा काम है regarding my research topic as well. So right now I'm just going to sit on my laptop and work on that research topic, and then later I also have to go and buy some grocery things. So we'll be going out after this. For now, let's just start working and finish off some things which have been due since a long time. So staying at home, taking a sick leave doesn't mean that you get to rest the entire day. Even though I had taken a sick leave, I had so much of work pending that I had to take out my laptop and stare at that screen. Honestly, this day really taught me that in the future when I fall sick but still have a lot of responsibilities, I have to make sure that I finish it as much as possible, but at the same time also take care of my health, because if the health is not right, the mind won't be working well. So health is the most important thing in this entire world.
Truth, they say nobody's perfect, baby, 'cause nobody's you.
So I am somebody who does not like taking medicines. I would completely avoid taking medicines. मतलब जैसे छोटा मोटा फीवर या खांसी हो गया. So I will always avoid medicines. In fact, I always try and take rest. And usually 2 से 3 दिन का rest लेने के बाद I'm completely fine. I'm completely cured. But today I had to take medicines because it's just Tuesday and I have the entire week left ahead of me. बहुत सारा कुछ planned है in this week. So I cannot afford to take more sick leaves. आज छुट्टी ले लिया, but I cannot afford any more sick leaves. I had to be all right by tomorrow. So the call of the hour was to take some meds and also some rest, which I did today. So hopefully tomorrow we will go to college. Hopefully we have to go to college tomorrow. Right now I'm going to read this book. I'm still left completing this book. I think कुछ 20-25 pages बाकी है. I just read this book, journal, then meditate, and then we go to sleep. So yeah, good night, and I will now see you tomorrow morning.
What are you saying? Why don't we run away tonight instead of staying lost in lust? 'Cause the future is fading.
Today I felt a lot better, all thanks to the medicines that I took last night, and luckily my postings had also changed. So from a very heavy posting I got shifted to a light posting, which was the fitness OPD. And today we also had ballet class, so I had to keep myself up, show up, and just be confident and strong and take the class happily and with all my energy that I had. Honestly, at the end of the day, I felt better. I just felt a little tired and the weakness because of the viral fever, but overall my health was fine. So I was very, very happy to be back normal, and the entire week could have gone well after that.
If I could tell another story, it would be that I could see light in the dark. better days stand before me, or so I'm told. I don't believe I'll make that part, 'cause my life's racing, south facing, and I can't break the fall. I got my spark taken, dreams fading, but hope was never lost, 'cause even a broken heart can find its way back home. Oh, I can find my way back home, my way back home. I can find my way back home, my way back home. Lord, I pray for better burdens, more the passion that you gave me at the start. And where's the fire you've been burning? 'Cause I'm bleeding out the ashes in my heart.
Feeling alive, falling in love, holding on tight, I'll never let you go. With you by my side, I won't feel a storm. Tidal waves and hurricanes, the end of the world. I could not let you down, 'cause you and I are heaven bound. I need your love.
While I'm editing this vlog, I just realized that in a few months my college will be over, we'll be doing internship. So I'm so grateful that I have recorded and documented all these years of my college, because I am going to be missing college like hell, and I really want to look back to these memories that we have created in college. So in case you're thinking whether or not to document, you should document your college life. So I just got back home from the clinic. Today I feel today's day was really fun. Even yesterday actually बहुत ही अच्छा दिन था. Now I'm just going to start working on the research topic. So I'll just give you a little idea on what research am I talking about. So basically internship में हम एक research conduct करते हैं जिसका topic भी हम खुद ही select करते हैं. So we decide the topic on what topic you want to do a research, and this is like a compulsory thing, and we prep for this research in our final year. So final year mein we decide the topic on what we want to research on, we decide how we want to conduct the research, we decide why we want to conduct the research, and like what all things do we want to find out and study after that research. So this really gives us an opportunity to have an exposure of research and how a research is conducted. And being a clinician, I think it's also important to have a little idea on researches and to read literature, to read what are the latest findings, the latest research studies. So I think that is why it's kept as a part of our syllabus, and उसका हमें जो prep होता है वो final year में start होता है. So since all my terminal exams are now over, we're just like a few months away from our final year exams. I really have to start working on my research topic. I have decided the topic कि मुझे किसके ऊपर करना है, but उसके अंदर का exact study, what I want to study, why I want to study, in whom I want to study, वो सब बाकी है. So that is what I'm going to start working on right now. After that we'll have dinner, and because it's a weekend we'll be chilling a little bit after we do our dinner. For now, let's just start working.
Saw it in your eyes, feeling of home. Story of our lives is written on the walls. I could not let you down, 'cause you and I are heaven bound. I need your love, like my life depends on it. Don't give me up, don't waste your time, what's not meant to be.
So that's it for this week's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel. We've already crossed 1,000. Just have a long way to go ahead. So please consider subscribing to my channel. Show the love and support that you've been showing till now. And I will now see you in my next one. Bye.